What kind of difficulty? Hard, peaceful, or normal?
Hard.
Let's just do normal.
Hard. Super hard. Like my.
Yeah, let's do normal. Normal's good.
Alright, we can do normal, I guess. We're not gay, I guess, so it makes sense that we do normal.
After we all have.
I'm a forest veteran. We need to play on hard, man.
Air Force bitch ass.
Oh!
Look at
I'm in
your
the snow.
computer. See the hottie?
Oh my god, I'm getting dragged.
Yeah, that's
Open emergency, open.
Fight demons.
Ow, what
Fighting demons.
Wait, why did
Bro.
What the fuck?
I already
Why are we
died.
crashing? You died already?
I spawned in and I
good
died.
Alright, what game we play next?
I wonder what hard is like.
Wait, are we separated? No, or we're in the same place, right?
I'm not in the same place. I'm in the woods.
Oh,
whose
oh
fucking
shit, Jake, we're all in
grenade
the
is this, man?
tundra.
I know.
Oh.
I'm running
No.
over.
At the very tippy
Oh,
top.
whatever. Ow! What the fuck? I'm about to die.
This is a
Dude,
horrible
I have
place
a
to be.
grenade
damage?
equipped, man.
Bro,
I don't know how to
yes.
fucking holster it.
Yeah,
Ow!
But, I mean...
Hi guys.
Oh.
Guys,
Wait, how do you
Oh,
get down
you
there?
already got up? Wow, I didn't think you'd be able to get up so fast. E? Oh no,
let's
G,
make
G.
it-
Hey, don't throw don't throw that shit at me.
Hey!
Wait, how do you throw it?
Oh!
E?
Ah!
Ow! Actually hit.
Hello!
World's strongest man competition.
Bro,
Oh,
we hit the
that's coming.
NPC.
holy fuck is
Oh, it's really cool. You can tell Kelvin to like
Wait,
do
we're
stuff
gonna
for
kill
you.
them.
Oh no!
I feel like this is Lord of the Flies, bro.
Oh my god.
Bro, he's
Oh, no.
invincible. Oh no, I think he's about to die. Bro, you killed him.
No.
You
He's
killed him.
dead.
bro.
Yeah.
Alright,
Guys.
we might get him back. Because he's actually really useful. Yeah, they're in the snow, but you can't like see them. Like they're hidden under the snow, but you can pick them up, so it's not easy to fuck. Oh, well, Kelvin would be able to see him if he's an NPC. We could have had Kelvin get a sticks.
Oh, there we go.
Hey
Food,
Kelvin,
dude, just pop pills.
we can get a sticks, please.
Yeah, just pop some pills.
Kelvin did.
Oh,
this
it's
isn't funny.
working.
Alright, guys, slide down
Oh,
the
you can
mountain
save.
and press B.
Oh, you can sleep here.
Alright.
As you're
Alright.
sliding down.
Alright.
Oh my god! Here, I'll come help you.
I'm just gonna try to get it. Hopefully they're nice about it. Yeah, I'm gonna just pick this up.
Oh,
Sorry about
Yeah,
that.
it's his stuff, so you
fuck.
can't kill him.
What's up?
money!
I forgot they get scared. They're not really like aggressive at first.
I killed a fucking pony!
Ow!
Let's
Ow!
Guys,
We get
I
meds.
found something for
Where's
you.
this
I found a gift for you guys.
I think they can
I
take
bet
stuff
it's a
that you'd
fucking
usually
corpse.
only.
Oh, I fucking knew it. It's a corpse. Damn, he got some cheeks on him. You got
What are you gonna do with him?
Ooh, he
Take-
does have some cheeks.
Oh,
Oh,
give me that guy. I'm out of here.
Whoa.
Hey, that's
Hey,
my
good
guy, man! No, I want his bones!
Oh my god.
Ow.
Hey!
Oh shit! It's
Are
over
we
here.
going swimming?
I'm
Oh, his
gonna
Where's
die.
his leg?
His leg's going down.
Where's
the
his
river.
leg?
He's beeping this
There's
way.
a dead motherfucker!
Uh-oh.
Where?
Wait,
Uh-oh.
Jordan.
What?
I think Jordan did that.
There's a
Jordan, you
rope
did
to the
that?
person. Cut the rope up there. Cut the rope. Cut the rope.
I collected
Dude, we
this
gotta
guy's
Oh, there's a
tickets.
zo- wait. There's a guy over here, guys.
Bitch ass!
He's
Oh,
looking confused.
uh,
Hey!
Jordan, yeah.
He's huge! Oh!
Oh fuck! Behind us! Behind us! Behind us!
Oh god! Oh god! I
This guy's
died.
on off.
Oh, I'm dead!
Wait,
Alright,
is
he's
he
a good
OP?
guy.
Oh!
Oh my god, he's
Oh
slamming
god!
all of you guys.
Oh god!
Oh!
Someone
Not leaving. Fuck this.
Who the fuck is this? She's
okay.
got a third leg! Oh my
Oh my
god!
Oh, don't
She
kill her.
going?
Is that a
My
glitch?
God.
Where's she going?
Where's she going?
Is that a
I didn't-
glitch, bro?
The zombie killed her.
Hey guys.
Hey, there's okay. So somewhere in this book, there's got to be a bridge.
Holy
Type
shit, you are
bridge
great with that
on
book.
your keyboard.
You're like flipping it through like one finger.
Well, let's make
Come
a
on.
tent, and then Well, let's all sleep in the tent together.
Oh, whoa.
Guys,
whoa,
no,
wait,
hear me out. 5 seconds before we go to bed,
I'm
we
building
say,
a
we all say
cabin.
no homo. We all agree to say no homo, and then it's fine.
Yeah, remember what happened last time with Max?
Before we get in here, no homo, guys.
Say no homo, Max. Come on.
No homo.
Yeah.
Okay.
Homo! We're being homo.
Let me see if I can do it. Let's
You
see.
see it?
Because. Oh yeah, wait. Oh, I'm being attacked.
Evil!
Alright, I did it.
Go
Did it?
Alright. Alright,
Save.
Bitch ass!
oh yeah,
Yeah.
save.
Keep killing him!
And then sleep.
Hold Z, hold Z,
We're,
hold Z,
we're
hold
4 to
Z.
5.
Nate.
Who is that sleeping?
Nate.
You don't see the
Jazzy.
45, it means you're not sleeping.
Oh, no homo.
Is there a hockey for
Wait,
the
there's a
fucking-
there's a big guy.
I died.
It's the 4-leg guy.
Oh, guys.
He's
Oh no! Jake, look
he's the
out!
fastest.
I died. I'm in the water. I fell off.
The big guy's up here already.
Bro, it's so far down, man.
I'm
Alright,
throwing rocks
everybody-
at him.
Oh, rocks into
How did you fall down, man?
I jumped off. I thought I'd be fine leaving
Wait.
the water, bro.
Bro got scared.
This is
There's
an
a
inch
guy
of
on you.
water,
There's a guy
Bro
man.
got scared.
It looked like a lot more, bro.
We're so fucked.
So we're still building this
Wait,
base?
there's more logs in the.
What
in
the-
Yeah.
Guys, there's a guy
the
right here.
water.
Alright, we killed. Tell him what to do. He pretty much like does.
Hey!
You have to do.
What the fuck are you
can, like,
doing?
Either way,
Eric, what's
Yo.
wrong with your hands?
Bro, don't talk about.
some hands are like, fuck are you?
Guys, don't
Understand?
talk about my head.
Hurts.
I
Oh
think.
shit.
Oh. I'm gonna go to the
Then you
doctor.
place them on the ground, and then you break them. You have to do
I
twice,
don't
and then
got
you
time
light
for
it.
doctors, man. I got places to be, man.
Oh!
Wait, what?
Oh no, Alex, your hands.
My hands-
Oh, Alex, look out, Alex!
Ah! Oh, if you're in the chair, you're invincible.
Wait, are you really invincible? Sit down. Sit down. Let's find out whether you're invincible. Stand up! Get him!
Let's see.
Let's find out.
Did it do damage?
Guys, I'm not invincible. Please don't hit me.
Because that tree
Ah.
fell.
Uh-oh, it's a...
Sword,
Uh-oh.
sword, stick.
Oh god!
The house!
Not the house!
The house!
You just broke the roof.
You just broke the
Hey, man!
Actually?
Yeah.
Oh.
One tree
Why
is-
did you do that, man?
Yeah.
Why'd they all fall?
My tree! Man!
Why'd
Wait,
everything
Did you
Settle
fucking
down.
slice the tree, Jordan?
I did not! I hit once and I hit
Oh
the
my
zombie.
god.
Bro, you fuck! My
Dude,
tree
how would one
house,
hit
man.
take down the tree?
Fuck my tree house. Blueberry.
Hi.
We can get
Hello.
water. That's an
Hello,
easy source of energy.
Hello.
She's. Oh, sorry.
We'll just stay starving, I guess.
You fucking bitch! Why is she scared of me, man?
Oh yeah,
You're still asleep deprived.
The woman's coming back.
can't
Was it
recover
'cause
from
we slept too much?
just one day.
Hey guys,
Should-
what's up?
We should not make a treehouse.
This is my treehouse, bro.
No, it's my fucking
This is
treehouse.
gonna.
You weren't even fucking here! Probably.
You,
You know what? You know what?
That thing's gonna
Timber,
fall down.
Timber, onto the treehouse.
Hey! Yes!
oh, there. Wait, I made
building
it
up
up.
my
I made
strength.
it up. I just jumped over. What's up, Luther? What's the password?
This is my fucking thing, man.
What's the password?
This is my fucking shit, man.
What's,
Move,
what's,
You guys, she just came and gave me blueberries. You just set these blueberries down for me.
Move, bitch!
man.
Ah, monkey!
Jared.
I pressed the end.
What?
The hell?
Is the axe better?
It's literally the same.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. I got a bow.
All right, Jared, come over here. We got our target.
We need the target.
Hey, did you take two?
No, you didn't even hit the. Yours is down there.
Damn.
You need to improve your aim, bro. JR, what the fuck?
Bro, it's literally going straight.
that little.